USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. That's your social responsibility. Do that, subscribe, like and share, because nobody makes YouTube videos for themselves, and I can't, trust me, I can't subscribe to my own channel. I have tried that. It doesn't work like that, okay? So, and nobody does the analysis for themselves. My analysis in my brain. I don't have to do it in videos. So these videos are for public, I guess. I don't know, right? If you're watching it and you're watching it regularly, and if you have not subscribed, then why are you here? Get out. If you can't subscribe, you can't, like, get out. Don't watch my videos. Get out. But if you're still here, do that. Subscribe, like, here. It's free. Subscribe, like, share, all free, man. I hope your hands and fingers are still intact now. They're not broken. If your hands or finger are broken and you can't subscribe, like and share, maybe call some family member, call your friends. They will do that for you. They will subscribe, like on your behalf. Don't be such shameless humans that you will come and make money from my videos for free, and your hands and fingers are broken when it comes to subscribe and like. As if nobody's dying for you to subscribe and like here, but it's your social responsibility. Be responsible in your life. Otherwise, you'll get nowhere. What we got? We got this Swing Like a Pro. So click on Swing Like a Pro. Come to this page right here. Watch it. Enjoy these videos. Have fun. And if you want to join, then join. Then you can book consultation if you want to speak with me for some reason. And you can always join free Telegram. It's free. Okay? Subscribe, like is free. Telegram is free. Do that. We are on the charts. So let's start with weekly. Top-down approach. So, economics, USDJPY, as the name says, America, Japan. Obviously, we know America is stronger. Quite simple. USD, America is stronger than yen, Japanese. No rocket science. So, daily, we are above the EMA. Weekly, we are above the EMA, so as we are above the EMA in daily. Okay. And in 4 hour, we are above the EMA, plus we have rejected the EMA. So, textbook, all the time frames are above the EMA. Look for loans. What are you waiting for? It had rejected the EMA. This has turned into a hammer with bullish candles. What are you waiting for? Look for longs. If you don't trade that pair, if you want to enter and exit with me, join this program. Subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.